Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, a printing classified forum. Here is the third video of the Amazon bot PLATATO push to connect fitting disconnect tool. Like I said, I couldn't get 5/32 hosts to work, but I did a little modifications and I will improve it as time goes by to be able to do the 5/32 host typically seen on M&R frame clamps and little hoses and somewhat. So this is a clip art air switch, typical 5/32. And sometimes these control frame clamps or squeegee flood bar clamps on an M&R press. So what I did was I took an extension cord and I used the outer rubber on it and I just pushed it in. It's not perfect right now, but it's not too bad, so we'll see. So we're going to put it in there again, hold on to the hose with the orange handles, and then push out. Well, that didn't work. I mean, because this is experimental. Here's one. Like I said, I never had problems pulling out a 5/32, and there's two. That one came out better. Maybe it was too constrained on this straight Y. So push on the handles, push on the lever. Comes out like nothing. So I think this is a pretty good tool when you're taking apart like a 16 color automatic t-shirt press. There might be hundreds of fittings and your hands wear out. So this might be good for anybody, even a tech or for other engineers, you know. So go to my website, like this channel, and subscribe. Go to screenprintexchange.com. It's good stuff. Thank you. Bye.